start with creating our designs. You can choose to make a custom design or a preset from like an Instagram post or Facebook header or whatever. You can choose. I'm using a custom size here of 4000 by 4000. You can choose from the elements or from your uploads. I'll be using a duck maze picture in this example. From here you just scroll down and go to the more section. Click on more. Okay, from here, if you have not used it before, or if you have already used it before, you will find it over there. It's called the Draw Beta version. If you have not used it before, you will find further down. From there you can click on it and start using it. Here you can select marker pen or blue pen or highlighter, whatever you want to use. You can adjust the size and the transparency of the brush. You can choose the colors and you can start drawing. We'll be using the elements from Canva itself. I'll be using a coffee cup. From here you can personalize messages, like I'm going to write over here a coffee lover. So you can use tablets, right? Like a Wacom tablet and a pen. So you can use it to write on it. If you're okay with writing with your touchpad, then you can do that as well. So you can personalize messages on your picture and send it, or you can create your own designs. Canva is making it really simple and easy for us to do this kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm using a Wacom tablet over here, and it is kind of clearing my system down, but yeah, you get the idea anyway. So so once you have personalized, you can just click on done, and it will be saved as a picture, and after that you can resize it and do whatever you want to do with it.